back to another adventure. Out of breath already. Only been walking for 10 minutes. Anyway, this evening we are going to Penny Fan. I'm going to do half the horseshoe. So we're going to do Corndoo over to Penny Fan and set up for sunset. Bought myself some rations, so I'm gonna have a cup of tea and a meal whilst we're at the top there, and hopefully be epic. So enjoy the video, let's get to it. I am literally the only one here. Might be more people at the top. This is lush, man. And all it's going to cost me to do this is 20 quid fuel and obviously time. But you know what? Worth it all day long. Hanging out. That was brutal. My knee decided to give in as well, just before the start of the ascent. Oh well, won't never matter all that. Let's go. Corndoo, Penny Fan. Because of my knee I took a little bit longer, plus I sacrificed some time as well to get the drone up earlier on. So I'm going to sit here, chill out. Basically, how lush is that? I'm just going to chill here because it's currently not windy where I am. Get the jet boil on, get some food on, and have a brew. It's so quiet though. Love it. Absolutely love it. Ooh, it's cold now, the sun's gone in. That was a Corndoo for sunset. Now we've got to walk up over Penny Fan, down Jacob's Ladder, and then all the way, and there. Should take probably, I don't know, hour and a half. So yeah. Okay, gang. Corn do, penny fan. Sweet. Okay, now we're on the Roman road. I think off the top of my head it's about 5 kilometres long. I'll update that when I get to the end. I think, pretty sure it's 5 kilometres long. If I turn the torch off. Still quite light, to be fair. You can still see the ground's uneven, so the torch is on, so I don't fall over. Well, that concludes half the Brecon Horseshoe for sunset. Just got to the car. Now I'm going home. Laters.